You've probably seen them all flying overhead. So this might be one of the only times you get to see why they're called a red-tailed hawk, because they do have that red tail, but usually you only see them like this. And so Nicole will be bringing out our female red-tailed hawk as well, which can show you the difference between males and females, and that's just that the females are significantly larger than the males when it comes to birds of prey, so all birds of prey, the females are larger. And red-tailed hawks are diurnal hunters, so they hunt during the daytime, they're awake during day, and the way that they hunt is that they will perch up in a tree, and they use their eyesight. They have very, very good eyesight. And this is Sheila, like I was saying, our female. So you can see she's significantly larger than Dragon. Whoa! And this is her first show, so she's getting used to it still. And so, like I was saying, they have very, very good eyesight. So our analogy is if they could read the print on a newspaper from across a football field. So as you can imagine, that means that they could probably So there is your typical hawk noise. If you ever hear an eagle in a movie or something, it's actually a red-tailed hawk sound. It's not an eagle sound. They sound way different. Their sounds are actually kind of sad. Hey, are you seeing something?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there's something flying above us.
Oh yeah. Maybe it's
So he's using his really good sight, and he sees some birds flying above us, and he's not too happy about it. But like I was saying, with his really, really good eyesight, he can see a tiny little mouse running around on the ground from way high up in the sky. And so you'll see them usually sitting up on telephone poles or really, really high trees. And they'll perch up there and survey the area and try to find small rodents or sometimes even other birds they can hunt. And when they find something they want to eat, they'll spread their wings and flap around and get above it. And once they're right above that animal, they will dive down. And they can dive over 100 miles an hour.
Wow.
And so with this speed and the impact of when they hit the animal, it'll kill the animal right away. And then they will clench the animal with their feet. As you can see, we are wearing gloves, and that's because they have very large, sharp talons. And with them, their feet are kind of opposite of our hands. So when we're relaxed, our hands are open. When they're relaxed, their feet are actually clenched. And this is so they don't have to worry about holding onto the animal while they're flying away with it.